Right now, in this lecture, we are going to talk about functions of bill of lading. It's on page 96 in the commercial law for business students in the commercial law book. Functions of the bill of lading. A bill of lading, in its classical legal terms, has three main functions. Number one, it is the contract of carriage of goods, or at least evidence the contract of carriage. Number two, it acts as a receipt for goods put on board the vessel, on board of the ship, to be transferred to the buyer, to the seller. Number three, it acts as a document of title. The bill of lading is a contract. It is a legal contract between the buyer or the seller, through agent or broker, the shipper, the ship owner, or whatever. The bill of lading is merely evidence of the contract between the ship owner and the shipper, and the contract between the ship owner and the third parties. As a signee who acquires rights in a bill of lading by way of negotiation of the bill of lading is bound by the terms of the contract as contained in the bill of lading, or other documents in which the terms of the contract may be contained. The bill of lading as a receipt. It plays as a receipt for the goods or transferred goods by the ship. This was originally the traditional or original role of the bill of lading. It served as receipt for the goods to which it related that the goods have been taken on board the ship. In its original role, it itemized the goods shipped and gave further particulars of the goods, such as the description, quality, and shipping mark. A document which is not signed by or on behalf of the carrier is not a bill of lading in the legal sense. The bill of lading as a document of title. Bill of lading as a document of title. The third function of a bill of lading is that it serves as a document of title to the goods it represents, and its transfer is equal to the physical transfer of the goods by the ship, of course. The holder of a bill of lading in respect of goods that have been shipped by effect a transfer of ownership in respect of the goods by transferring the bill of lading to anybody who has given him value for the goods. Excuse me. Bill of lading as a negotiable instrument. Bill of lading as a negotiable instrument. A bill of lading is an assignable document of title to the goods. If a bill is transferred or assigned by one person to another, either by a mere delivery, as in the case of a bearer of bill of lading, or by an endorsement of the bill of lading followed by its delivery, as in an order bill of lading, the bill of lading is said to have been negotiated, and the party to whom the bill is transferred is referred to as the transferee of the bill of lading. A bill of lading is not a negotiable instrument under the bill of exchange law, according to the exchange law, because unlike a bill of exchange, the bona fide holder of a bill of lading and for the value cannot acquire a better title than the transferor possesses. International commercial contracts, the bill of lading is the pivot upon which other contractual relationships are dependent.